So today we're going to discuss about understanding of ISO and quality management systems. What is ISO? When and where was it founded? ISO stands for the International Organization for Standardization. It is an independent, non-governmental international organization that develops and publishes standards to ensure products and services are safe, reliable, and of good quality. ISO was founded on February 23, 1947, following a meeting of delegates from 25 countries in London in 1946. The organization is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. The name ISO is derived from the Greek word isos, meaning equal, reflecting the organization's goal of standardizing and ensuring equality in quality worldwide. What is its purpose in global trade and quality assurance? ISO is tasked with creating globally accepted international standards that offer uniform requirements for efficiency, safety, and quality in international trade and quality assurance. By removing technical trade obstacles, this standard helps to standardize requirements across nations and facilitate the free flow of products and service across international borders. In industries where dependability, safety, and health are of the utmost importance, this trust is vital. In general, ISO contributes significantly to increasing global trade, increasing operational efficiency, and promoting innovation and sustainable development. Briefly explain the ISO 9000, 9001, and 9004 standards. ISO 9000, it provides the fundamentals and vocabulary of quality management systems, QMS. It helps users understand the terminology and principles behind quality management to prepare for applying other standards in the family. ISO 9001. It specifies the actual requirements that organization must meet to achieve certification for their quality management systems. It focuses on ensuring consistent quality in products and services by outlining specific processes and management's responsibilities to meet customer and regulatory requirements. ISO 9004. These standards offer guidance for organizations to achieve sustained success through continuous improvement beyond the basic requirements of ISO 9001. It focuses on improving overall organizational performance and managing quality to enhance long-term viability. Why is a quality management system QMS important? A quality management system QMS is crucial because it helps organizations consistency meet customers' expectation, comply with regulation, and improve overall efficiency and performance. Choose that you think are most important and explain why. I choose the enhanced product and service quality because it ensures consistency results by standardizing processes, reducing errors, and minimizing waste, leading to better customer satisfaction. Give an example, real or hypothetical, of a company that uses ISO 9001 standards. A real-world example of a company using ISO 9001 standards is a Toyota. Toyota implemented ISO 9001, the international standard for quality management systems, to establish robust quality control processes and foster a culture of continuous improvement. This implementation significantly improved product quality, reduced defects, and enhanced customer satisfaction, solidifying Toyota's reputation as a leader in the automotive industry. ISO 9001 certification helps companies like Toyota improve their products and services by providing a clear, structured framework to monitor and control processes, identify areas for improvement, and implement corrective action efficiently. It also reassures customers and stakeholders that the company adheres to international quality standards, fostering trust and competitive advantage in the global market. Summarize your key takeaways about ISO and quality management. ISO standards and quality management system help organizations maintain high quality, meet customers and regulatory requirements, improve operation, and strengthen their market position globally. So that's all the understanding about ISO and quality management systems. Thank you for your watching and listening.